bagong tindera ng tindahan ko. Yan. Ano pong pangalan nila?
My name is Marjay C. Kakayan.
Yan.
Ilang taon na po? My age is 10.
Anong pangarap sa buhay?
To become a flight attendant and a future star.
Wow naman!
Ano subject? My favorite subject is English.
Wow.
Yes.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Sige, continue lang.
Muna.
Sige.
Kamusta ka naman po sa pag-aaral ko? I'm honors and turning grade 6.
Kamali.
Sana! Ano naman paborito mong pagkain?
Pretty much my favorite food is what my mom cooks.
Ano
And
yung
it's
favorite?
Wow!
2015.
Ikaw na ulit.
Ako na ba? Nahiya ko eh. Nahiya ko eh.
Anong favorite mong gawain sa bahay? To help my mom and sell in our store. Like an
May,
actual store.
may tindahan kayo?
Yes.
Ano yon? Ano yung mga tinitingnan nyo doon?
School supplies, canned foods, and sino naman ang mga favorite kong friends? Actually, I can't pick because if they're watching, maybe they'll say I show favoritism.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Kasi din kasi. Okay, okay. Eto, may tanong lang ako. Meron ka na bang nagustuhan sa... May boy ka ba na friend?
Yes.
Ilan?
Maybe like 3, I'm thinking.
Sa tatlong yun, sino yung like parang mas okay sa'yo kasama? Kasi di ba merong mga lalaki na pangit kasama, gano'n. Oh my God.
I can't think because same reason they might show they may think I show favoritism and maybe they think I love him. So no. I can't say. May nagkakagusto na ba sa'yo?
Ayan.
Hello, Mami!
Wow!
Wala, mami, oh. Okay, tayo na.
Eto, tanong ko, meron ka na rin bang nagustuhan?
No, I like single life.
Eh, ikaw?
Ano?
Go. Go ahead. Chika-chika na ito. Hindi siya mahirap.
My teacher was my teacher Love. And she's still supporting me until now. Teacher Esther. My teacher in grade 5, Ma'am Karen, and Ma'am Dahlia.
Wow.
Ma'am Dahlia is an English era. Shout out mo naman
English.
siya.
Shout out mo sila.
Shout out my favorite teachers. I hope you're here watching because soon, not only here, I will also shout out you in my future TV shows.
Wow!
Palakpakan naman natin ka!
So, nag-artista ka.
Oh, nag-aartista ka.
Yes.
Kung mag-aartista ka, ano yung mas gusto mo? Horror, comedy, like mga gano'n?
I like the kids style, like kids movies, not the cartoon.